A lot of people put their lawnmowers away with gas in it, before when they start. And this is what this woman did, and just wanted me to look at it and want to run. Well, looked into it. It had this into it. If you can see that cloud at the very bottom, that's water, and that's still gas. What I tell everyone before they put it away is please just run that gas out. Do a couple passes on your lawn or something, or just let the lawnmower run until it's empty, until it quits on itself. Then you don't have to worry about a problem like this or a trip to your local small engine mechanic. So, I would advise, if you want to keep fuel in it or whatever in the fall time to the late spring, put stable in it. It'll stabilize your fuel and preserve the fuel to be good when you want to start your lawnmower. But if you do not want to put stable in it, please run it dry. It would save you a $50 bill. And thank you for watching this tip.